What's up, guys? So welcome back to a Daily Entertainment Bash Show right here on OTH TV. Yes, if you are new here, we have a tradition on this channel. What we do is that you have to click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so guys, I know I've been away for a very long time. For how many months? Like, I think 4 to 5 months. Yeah, I've been away, but then I keep, giving you guys some of the latest entertainment news and gossip happening in the Ghanaian and also African entertainment industry. Yes, I'm back and I'm back for good. And thanks for those who called to check up on me, and also those who are also commenting and also sending me private messages to check up on me and all that. Yes, so and for those of you who didn't also, I've seen all of you, and I hope next time you're going to do the needful. Anyway, that's just by the way. Yes, so today's gossip, I have some gossip from the camp of Ekuapim Polo. Yes, so as you already know, Ekuapim Polo has a court case of which, let me take you guys back a little bit. For those of you who don't know, yes, so Ekuapim Polo, somewhere I think last year or early this year, she posted a picture of her son and herself, a nude photo to be precise, and Ghanaians actually went for her, and she ended up in court. She has actually been battling, having court hearings here and there, of which she was granted, bail and all that. Yeah, so her case is actually in court, and when you have a court issue or a court case, it's not 1 day, it's not 2 days. It can take sometimes months, sometimes years, for you to be out of, courts 100%. But then, although she's been, on social media, she's been having a life or living her own life, her case is not yet over. And lo and behold, her lawyers have been fighting for an appeal, because let's not forget that she was supposed to serve a 90-day, jail term, okay, of which they appealed and and all that, and they reduced it, and a whole lot of issues, of which she was granted bail. Let me put it that way. She was actually granted bail, and for her to go by her daily activity, because she's a mother and all that. Yeah. So that being said, they actually tendered in another appeal, of which it didn't work out, and the courts ruled that she has to serve her 90-day jail term. Yeah, so Ekuapim Polo is currently serving the 90 jail term, of which I think she has spent about 4 or 5 days or so. Yeah, so the highlight of this issue is that Ekuapim Polo has had a long-term grudge with Efia Schwarzenegger. Especially when her issue came up, if Schwarzenegger went on social media to say so many things about Ekuapim Polo, that she spoke to her, she didn't listen. Now she's ended up in jail and all that. But then after the courts dismissed the 90-day jail sentence, if Schwarzenegger has taken to a social media platform, that's Instagram, to post her and also write a caption, of which is quite touching, because some of us, knowing the relationship between Ekuapim Polo and Efia Schwarzenegger, we didn't see her posting that. But then this is what she actually posted on her Instagram, and she posted with a caption: "No matter what has happened, you are still in my prayers, and God will send you strength. I spent Christmas without my mother, and even though I was old and a mother myself, I cried like a baby. Kindly check on the son daily if you are close to them. Forget about his ungrateful mother and reach out to the boy. He needs our love now than ever. Rosemond, may the Holy Spirit send you strength. It is well. Copy, Tracy Boache. Thank you for who you are." Yeah, so Efia Schwarzenegger was actually drawing the attention of Tracy Boache to be the guardian, or take, or let me say adopt Ekuapim Polo's son, whilst she's serving a 19-day jail term, okay. And we all know Tracy Boache has a lot of money, and she has been flaunting herself